Pew pew pew. Hula pa 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 pa.
Yeah, think it's little.
Did you miss Elena? No, 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 no.
Tusa. High five. High five. You pop Tusa.
Huh?
Do you have a little pity? Is she really, really pretty? Does she lick you on the face and give you no personal space? Does she look you in the eye when you leave like mama? Why do you have a little...
Quincy, we are going on a road trip. Woo! Yes!
Quit. Get away from me. We're not friends anymore. You gotta have a permit for that.
괜찮아. 괜찮아. 괜찮아요.
I think she's sleeping. Oh, I woke her up.
Don't bark. Come here. No. Thank you. Come.
Take your laptops and electronics out the bag. If you got a hoodie on, take it off. Take it off. How many times you gotta get touched? Is this your bag? Hey, damn. You see this young lady trying to get it on the rack? Stupid ass.
I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting your face.
Right. Duck. 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 Goose. Each night before you go to bed, my baby, whisper.
Steven, it is 1:03 a.m. Please don't do this. This is not the time, sir. No, nothing? You're scaring me!
Gotcha.
Can I let you stealing from me?
And just thing, right? Now you see how far apart these are, like nothing. It's nothing. Yeah, well, you don't know how to fucking jump!
Did you do this?
By the neighbor, sure her dog's pregnant. She's gonna have 9 puppies. You know anything about that, buddy?
No bite.
Pizza.
Guess what?
Pizza.
That makes me question getting married. Can you think of me?
Hey, baby. No. My dog ate a wild mushroom, and we just spent $140 for the vet to tell us she's high.
2, 1.
When you is a bit too chunky to fit through. So your dad has to give you a helping paw. It is just fluff, I swear.
Great British Bake-Off. I usually do that. Last time. I love eating biscuits. I'm not sure about making them. It was biscuit week. He looks like she. Alice's macaroon masterpiece.
I think that's a fine piece of work.
Ensured she took stock.
Me what you have in your mouth. Roxy, give it to me. Listen. Shoot it. Come here. Gimme. What do you have in your mouth?
Duck. Duck. Goose.
What do you want? You gonna tell me? What'd you do today? What'd you do today?
Sit. Will you be my Valentine? What?
Hey, it's gone. What the fuck?
I'm telling you right now, I seen what I needed to see.
Puff, your dog is terrified of cats.
Maverick.
One with all Halloween decorations.
Scare your dog to see what they do.
Still not there.
Oh my god, why are you shaking like a stripper?
It all started when my mom met my dad, and they fell in love, and they had me.
Can you show me your booty?
Can I get your opinion on the best brand of dog food?
Leave me alone.
All right.
Leave me alone.
All right.
Leave me alone.
All right.
Leave me alone.
Donna! Oh my god. He's a real Mexican!
Oh, so scary until I open the crate.
I can't breathe, bro. Look at him. Look at him running. Oh.
You might be the cutest thing I've ever seen in my entire life.
Tank, y'all ready to take a bath?
one small bite. Take it.
Wow.
Put your finger in your dog's mouth and see what they do.
Oh, big yawn.
Oh, you're so cute, pup. Let me see you smile.
Can I get a woo?
Why is it spicy?
Hi. Ever wonder what a hairless pug looks like?
.23 in the chamber. They ain't found me yet, but when they do, they're gonna be surprised.
No, hey, you have your own bed. Remember how nice it is? Don't you want to sleep in that one? Then I will.
Tito, what do you have? No, no, no.
God damn it.
Quit. Get away from me. We're not friends anymore. You gotta have a permit for that.
Gotcha.
Don't huff and puff at me.
Jay, thank you very much.
Hi, Max! Hi! Oh my god!
All I'm saying is don't give me attitude.
Ciao ragazzi! Tutto bubu!